Unlocking the secrets of the Maid of Honor speech. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English language and culture, the Maid of Honor speech. This is a speech that plays a vital role in many weddings, filled with emotions, humor, and memories. Whether you're learning English or simply curious about this tradition, you're in the right place. Let's explore what makes the Maid of Honor speech so special and how you can understand or even create one yourself. The Maid of Honor speech is a key moment at wedding receptions, given by the Maid of Honor, who is usually the bride's closest friend or relative. This speech is a blend of personal anecdotes, compliments to the bride and groom, and wishes for their future. It's an opportunity to celebrate the couple's relationship from the unique perspective of someone very close to them. A typical Maid of Honor speech follows a simple yet effective structure to convey its message. Let's break it down. 1. Introduction. Briefly introduce yourself and your relationship to the bride. 2. Body. 3. Share memorable stories or moments you've shared with the bride or the couple. 4. Highlight the qualities of the bride and, optionally, of the groom. 5. Discuss the impact of the bride or the couple's relationship on you or others. 6. Conclusion. End with heartfelt wishes for the couple's future, often including both humor and emotion. Crafting an unforgettable Maid of Honor speech involves a few key strategies. Be authentic. Speak from the heart. Your genuine emotions will resonate more than anything. Keep it brief. Aim for a speech that lasts about 5 to 7 minutes. It's enough time to say something meaningful without losing the audience's attention. Practice. Rehearse your speech to ensure you deliver it smoothly. Use humor wisely. A well-placed joke can lighten the mood, but remember to keep it appropriate for the audience. Close on a high note. Your concluding wishes should leave the audience feeling optimistic and moved. The Maid of Honor speech is more than just words. It's a tradition that celebrates friendship, love, and the journey ahead for the married couple. It reflects the cultural importance of marriage ceremonies and the value of personal connections within them. Understanding this speech helps learners grasp not just the language but also the cultural nuances of English-speaking societies. We hope this video has illuminated the beautiful tradition of the Maid of Honor speech for you. Whether you're preparing to give one or just aiming to understand English cultural practices better, remember that the essence of a great speech lies in its sincerity and warmth. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you all the best in your language learning journey.